I am Peter van Rodijnen. As a diver and cameraman, I've explored the world's oceans, but the sea closest to home remained undiscovered. The North Sea. One of Europe's largest and most mysterious nature reserves. Dive with me and discover a hidden wilderness like you've never seen before. A journey across borders into the unknown wild world of the North Sea.